Hi YouTube, today I am going to show you the example of stability circle on Smith chart. Here is the example. Determine the stability of gallium arsenide FET has the following S parameter at 2 GHz in a 50 ohm system both graphically and mathematically, where S parameters are given S11, S21, S12, S22. Okay, so for graphically method, I have to plot this. For that, I have to calculate this CL, RL, CS, RS. So I'm using these tricks for the Smith chart and calculate tricks for it. I have these formulas for the CL. I have to S11, so I'm storing as A, S21C, S12B and S22D. Still, just use this on calculator mode complex. Use this complex 0.89 shift angle minus 60. This changes into permanent angle mode. 0.89 angle 60 shift store to A. Then store 3.1 shift angle 123 shift store to B. Shift store to C. For next result is 0.002 shift angle 62 shift store to B. Then for 0.78 shift angle minus 27 shift store to B. Okay, now you have to calculate this CS, CL and all the results. So just you find this SDL and delta. First I am calculating this delta. The delta is equal to, I am replacing here A, D, B and C. So alpha A, alpha D minus alpha B, alpha C is equal to delta. This is our required delta. Point 69 shift store to E. I have stored it into E. Now I have to find this DL. DL is equal to shift absolute alpha D the square minus shift absolute alpha E the square. 120. I am storing this value to F. 0.126 storing as a E. Okay, now I have to replace all this as a DL as a E, S22 as a D, delta as a I have here F, delta I have replaced to E. Okay, and this is delta. Be careful about that, then calculation will be easier. S11 is E. Okay, I'm just using this formula, I'm getting the result. Just see. 6:2. Alpha. Here the conjugate is there. Shift complex conjugate alpha D minus alpha E into shift complex conjugate alpha A then remaining is alpha F. Solve this. You got this result around 1.36 angle 47. This is the method and this is angle 45. Some about maybe it's a book reading, so I have get this reading is 1.37 angle 45 degree by calculator. Now I have to find this RL. Do one thing. Similar calculation is used. Just replace ds by shift absolute S11 square means alpha A square minus alpha shift absolute alpha E the square and just change its conjugate of D. This is E only and this we have to change alpha A. If you find this same result, nearly same result we got. This is CS value is 1.14 angle around 67, which is around to 68. Same result I am getting. For the RL value, now I have to check for RL value. This is shift absolute S12 is alpha A, S12 is alpha B, S21 is alpha C, and DL is alpha F. It's around 0.49, which is 5. Okay, now we have to calculate this RS. DC is the same, just but I am not calculated DS. Shift absolute alpha A the square minus shift absolute alpha E delta alpha E the square. I got this point too. In this way I can verify this. I got this CL, RL, CS, RS. S11 is 0.89 less than 1, 0.78 less than 1. Okay. Now I have to plot on the Smith chart. I am using this result only, not mass calculated result. For the knowledge point of view, I am showing you. CL is 1.36 angle 47. Just measure this angle 47 is there. 0, start from here, 20, 30, 40, 46, 45, 46, 47. This is for the CL, and this is 1.36, means from here you have to take this reading 1.36. You have to plot it. CL is around 1.36 angle 47 degree. Now you have to measure this 68 degree. You can see here, if you come 0, see this angle. Now I have to move 68 degree, 62 between 60 and 70. So this is 47 degree. Now this is 68 degree. Okay. Now for the CS 1.13 is there, so 1.13 can be calculated in this way. This is CS result. I got CS value 1.13 angle 68 degree. Now I have to draw a circle where RS is equal to 0.2, where RS is equal to 0.2 and RL is equal to 0.5. Now we have to find the stable region and unstable region. You can see S11 is less than 1, S11 is less than 1 and S12 is also less than, S22 is also less than 1. So gamma in and gamma out circle. So we have to find the stable region. Means this is the stable region and this white is unstable region. So from Smith chart we can say that gallium arsenide FET is unstable. Mathematical method, we know the mathematical method. When K for mathematical method, you should know this method. For the stability criteria, 3 methods are there. Where 3 parameter tests are there, where K is greater than 1, this value is greater than 1, this value is greater than 1. And next method is K delta test, where K should be greater than 1, this delta should be less than 1. And next is 2 parameter test for KB test, K greater than 1, B should be greater than 0. Mostly K delta test is preferred. So for that I have to use calculator. You can calculate this value by calculator. 1 minus shift absolute alpha a the square minus shift absolute alpha d the square plus alpha e shift absolute alpha e the square 2 into shift absolute, this is b and this is c, alpha b alpha c. 0.6 is so 0.6 is which is less than 1, so the given circuit, given gallium arsenide FET is potentially unstable. In this way you can determine the stability of the transistor.